Thinking of building to sell? Then stay with me for a real estate agent's inside view on how to target your build to the right buyer. Hi, I'm Karen Jones, your local property expert, and I'm here to give you insight into what buyers are looking for in a new home build. Before you embark on your next building project, let's explore the end product from a sales agent's point of view. There are a number of important factors to consider when initiating a new house build, especially if your immediate goal is to build and sell for profit. Firstly, you need to consider the location and its demographics. Are you targeting a young family, an over 50s, or a professional couple? If, for example, you are in an area predominantly accommodating semi or fully retired people, then building something on different levels with an upstairs master bedroom will not appeal to an ageing population. Take into account how many bedrooms your demographic will need. How big do you want to go? A professional person will want something low maintenance, as they usually don't have the time to mow lawns, annually paint decks, and so on. A pool or no pool? Some people want them, others avoid them, or do you just make provision for one to be added at a later time? I've taken part in a number of new build projects on the Sunshine Coast. 23 Culbara Street, Mooloolaba, 31 Neerim Drive, Mooloolaba, and 6 William Street, Alexandra Headland, and all hold different appeal. Before you start, even at the planning stage, I'm happy to share my knowledge and resources in the market to help you achieve your property goals. Property is my passion, and I am here to help every step of the way.